Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use VPN on Roku. Let's go. The first way, connect a VPN to your router. But what if you are not at home? Use your phone, VPN and screen mirroring. Open Settings, Network, About. Check your network. Your phone and your Roku device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are using an Apple device, turn on AirPlay. Open System, Screen Mirroring. Always allow. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install VPN. Turn on screen mirroring on your phone. Now the phone screen will be broadcast on TV. Go to your favorite service. That's it. Now you know how to use VPN on Roku. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.